Did you know you can buy a house in Prince Edward Island for under $560,000 on 0.4 of an acre that's absolutely clean and immaculate from top to bottom? Stay with me for the next 3 minutes and we're going to walk through. We're going to go in through the garage because to men like me, this is the most important room of the whole house. We've got a garage that you could probably convert into 2 doors and use it as a double car garage. Oil tank, we've got a central vac unit there, garage door opener panel. To the left, we've got a laundry room. Everything in this house is one floor. So everything's on one floor. It's on a slab. You don't need to worry about wet basements and all that sort of stuff. We've got an oil-fired boiler here. It appears to be high efficiency by the way it's been vented to the wall. Expansion tank for the boiler, expansion tank for the well. Water softener. Air circulation pump or Venmar. Stepping back into the house. Down here we have a more recent addition, which is the sunroom. Lots of windows in this house that drop close to the floor, close to the ceiling, nice and tall. We've got one deck here where they've got their barbecue, some trellis, beautifully landscaped and fenced yard that would accommodate a large, very tall dog. Shed in the corner. More deck over there, I'll show you momentarily. Stepping back into the house here, where we came from. We've got the kitchen, which has oak cabinets. If you don't like that, you could always paint them white and modernize them if that's your taste, although a lot of people love oak. Island here, great house for entertaining. We've got a window here that can be open to pass drinks and meals through or close it for privacy. Passing the living room area, kitchen area, all open concept, perfect for entertaining. This is our second set of sliding doors to that continuation of the deck that I showed you earlier. This is absolutely wonderful. These apparently are grapes, just starting to bloom here. Got a bench that is suspended with chains. Going back into the house, propane tank there. Passing through the living room to our left, that would be a propane-fired fireplace. To the right is the main entrance, which I would typically come through, but I was so impressed by the garage. We've got a formal dining room here with a large window that looks out to the professionally landscaped lot. Birch trees. Now this is PEI, so it also has a year-round paved road, which you're not going to find with every house. Hardwood floors. Bathroom number 1. Sink, toilet, tub with a surround and a shower. Working counterclockwise, we've got bedroom number 1 with a closet, big window, bedroom number 2, big window, closet in the corner. Master bedroom across the hall, nice and private, away from the road. 2 large windows. Double mirrored closet, ensuite bathroom with a stand-up shower, toilet, sink, and I think that's it. Thank you very much for watching my video on 36 Clermont Road here in New Annan, Prince Edward Island. For more videos like this, be sure to subscribe to the channel, give the video a thumbs up, and if you have any questions about Prince Edward Island real estate or PEI in general, put them in the comments below.